Hi and welcome to Tonic Gold. We're going to have a look at the pop-ups. Now these are the circular pop-ups. We've also got the square ones, but these are the circles, okay? So on the circle dies, we're going to place the centre element to one side first. On these, you will find your notches are actually here, at the top and the bottom of the circle. Okay, so that is where you're going to align onto your crease. So let's get the crease in the card first. So this is the card. We're going to centralise that and we're going to give ourselves a centre score line. So let's get rid of that mat, get our die, and then that centre little notch is going to go on my crease. So just make sure it's central, and you are going to go and tape it down. So make sure you tape it, the top and the bottom, so therefore it cannot move. We're then going to put our mat on the top, and we're going to run that one through the die machine as well. So all the way through, and this is going to give you your pop-up element in the centre. So you can use these on any size cardstock that your little heart desires. So I'm taking that away, like so. And then it's a case of pulling that one up. So you've got a crease in the centre. So you've got your mounting fold in the middle, and then your two sides are going to be your valley folds. Fold them over. Centralise that there, fold it down, and you have got your little pop-ups in the centre of your card. So we could put little toppers on there, it's entirely up to you how you want to use it. But then we have the wording die as well. So to be able to use the little circle wording die, if I want to place it on that element there, let's place that to one side and get some coloured cardstock, because we can see it better then. So let's cut a little bit to size. So what I would do is I would take the outside edge. This is the die that we've just this minute used. I would place it on my cardstock, and I would use that to be able to cut the circumference out. So let's run that through. Bring it back, and you'll find that that now is cut 75% of your shape. So take your scissors, and we are just going to follow it through, and we're just going to cut that other side there. So by cutting that side there, that's given me my base to be able to put my circle on. Now this is a verso circle, so if I use this die on its own, it will stay in my cardstock, but I want this to be a topper inside my card. So I have my base, I have my die, and once again tape it down. So tape it down there and the other side, and I'm going to take it to the top left of the ground calibre, and we're going to run this through the machine as well. Now with all dies, you may get cut the first time, you may not get the cut time. It's all down to what card you're using, what machine you're using, how you're using the die. So literally, just make sure, I'm going to check it first, and I'm going to rotate it that way. So it's literally a case of a 90-degree turn, just to be able to cut, because this is a heavyweight purple card. So bring it back, and then we're going to emboss it. By embossing, not only does it give you that professional finish, it also gives you a lovely curve, also allows perfect finishes, but most importantly, it pushes that card into your die. Therefore, it alleviates the cardstock a lot easier. So let's emboss. And take that one out as well. Now we're going to give it the Jodie tap. This is where we love to make a mess. Normally all over my carpet, and it drives my husband bonkers. But here we go. Take that out of there, and you have got your wording. So now we can actually place that in the centre of here. Now you'll see we have nothing at that side. So if I want a white backing plate, all I would use is the outside edge again. So if I use the outside edge again, it will then put the colour behind there, and therefore I'm able to place that on the inside, whether we want it to open left or right, it's entirely up to you, but we can also use it on the outside of the cards as well. So that is how we use the circle dies.